Hello to you, this is Gina and welcome to my channel. It is a kit unboxing time. Yay! My favorite day of the month. But this is actually perfect timing because I was just about to record another video, and with any luck there will be something in this kit that I can use in the next video. So let's take a look. Isn't that cute? So we've got cards. That's great. These are great to use on cards if you're making handmade cards as your focal point. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's see. And here's our flowers. Our 3 packs of Prima flowers. That's pretty. Very subdued tones, kind of earthy, so you know me, I like that. And the blues and burgundies, and I actually like those colors too. So very, very pretty. Oops, some more cards. We'll take a better look at those in a minute. Hey, mechanicals. Nice. Mechanicals from Prima. Can you see? You know, I think this is the first kit I've ever received that had any kind of, you know, metal group of, you know, embellishments that I can think of. I don't think there's any. But yeah, oh, that is really nice. Doesn't exactly go with what I was about to make, but that's okay. I love them. Hey, look, stamps. I love stamps. That, I might actually can use some of that. We'll see. But very cute. I like those. Oh, here's another card. Wow, look at that. Oh, I want to open that at the end. This ephemera. I guess this is the collection Eclectic Charm. That's what that's called. Oh, look. Ooh, pretty. You know, the colors that may go with the last kit that we have. You know, the blues and those really deep purples, bold colors. So that's what's really kind of nice. You'll find that a lot of your kits that you get work with older kits that you still have leftovers from. So that's awesome. Okay. A stencil. Wow. This is pretty much all Prima so far. Well, this is Bo Bunny, right? Stamps are Bo Bunny, but the mechanicals are Prima. The flowers are Prima. The ephemera is actually, well, the ephemera is Blue Fern Studios. How about that? But the stencil is Prima. 6x6. Let's see if I can see what it's called. It just says woven. What a great pattern. And I don't have this one, so that is yay. That's awesome. Okay, let's take a look at the papers. My favorite part. Look how pretty. Yeah, this is called Calling Cards by Blue Fern Studios. How about that? That's really pretty. I love that. Oh, look at the stamps. Very nice. Wow, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. This one's called Charmed. And yes, Eclectic Charm is the name of this collection. Really, really pretty. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Very nice. Wow, look. Very full of color. Look at that. Ooh, nice. This one's called Friendship. That's beautiful. So is this one. Very nice. This one this one is called Frills. Oh, wow, deep purple. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, isn't that neat? This one's called Mercantile. Did I say that right? Hopefully so. Oh, you can cut out these if you want to. You can fussy cut some of these images. Oh, nice. It's a little bit lighter. Got a little bit more white space as compared to this one. Very nice. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so neat. I guess it's a book. This page is called Wisdom. That is just gorgeous. Very pretty. Very nice. Oh wow, look at that. I love that. Look at that. Layers and layers of images. That is so neat. It's actually something I'm interested in, just to design paper. Maybe one day. One day. Reminisce. That's the name of this page. Ooh, nice. Isn't that pretty? Reflections. Very nice. Oh, yellow. Cool. And let's see. Sentimentality. That pretty. So nice, so nice. I love that they give a lot of very neutral pages, because these are great for card making, so you can have something bold in your background, but then you might want to lighten it up on the top layer if you do layer your papers on your cards, and that just makes it easier for your focal point to pop out. That's kind of how I see it. Others may see it differently, but I like that they give some very light and neutral colors that you can mix in with some of these bolder papers. Oh, I like that. Isn't that pretty? Oh. Picturesque. Very nice. I just really like that. I don't know. I don't know why, I just do. Okay, wow. Beautiful pages. Beautiful papers by, who did I say, Blue Fern Studios. These pages are designed by Michelle Singh, exclusively for Blue Fern Studios. So if you like these, you can only Blue Fern Studios has these prints. So we have our papers, our 3 flowers, our very cool stencil, our mechanicals, which I am really excited about, our stamps from Bo Bunny, and here's all of our cards. Let's take a quick look at those. Shine your confidence. He who wants a rose must respect the thorn. Very good. Notes. Let your confidence shine. Make today count. That one's just blank. Oh, they have different stuff on the back. Sometimes the back's all the same, but this one has different prints on the back. Turn the page. Grateful, thankful, kind, blessed. Win in your mind, and you will win in your reality. Very good. Whatever you are, be a good one. Exactly. In between goals is a thing called life that has to be lived and enjoyed. Very true. Visualize your highest self, then start showing up as that. Nice. Live, love, and laugh. Very well. Very good. Now, I do want to take a quick look at the ephemera in more of a close-up, more personal kind of way, which is what I like to do. I like to know exactly what images I have to work with. I mean, you know, you can see them on the back, but that's not the same. That's not the same. Isn't that pretty? We have some clocks. Oh, some birds. Bird cage. Ticket. Whoa, come back. Thank you. It's a nice little sentiment for a card. Tag. Canned and preserving. It's another bird. Let's see. These are the good old days. Yes, they are. Key. Okay, more birds. Oh, come here. That's cute. Okay. Very nice. Traditions. Gosh, I can't pick anything up. Let's see. Together. It's a key. What does this say? Memories last a lifetime. Every photo has a story to tell. Oh, boy, that's great for a layout. That's awesome. I know, it's still on my bucket list. Maybe 2020. What do you think? Maybe this will be the year I finally do a layout. Maybe. Oh, gosh, come on. There we go. Remember. And here's the thank you. Okay, which these, oh, these are the good old days. And all these work great as sentiments on a card or a layout or whatever project you're making. Okay. All right. Well, that is it for this kit. This is the February limited edition kit from my Creative Scrapbook. You know I love it. I will leave a link down below, so if you want to take a look and see the other kits that they do have a variety of kits that they offer. And you might find one that's more suitable to you and your budget. But that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me that thumbs up if you liked it. And you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.